So, yeah, so this is the interior. We put a new coat of paint on, got new baseboards, painted the doors white, yeah. And basically, yeah, this is the kitchen area, which I don't know if you can look at the previous video, but this was an enclosed kitchen. So we ended up tearing this wall down, replacing all the cabinets and moving the sink from over there to here. So we ran the plumbing down there. I did run the plumbing, the contractors did. This is the contractor work, but kind of helped design it. That was my idea, was to tear this wall down just so that it's a little bit more open for people. Yeah, I think it came out pretty well. Yeah, also we got new floors in here. Kind of trying to keep everything neutral. The walls are like called a raindrop color, so I like that. I like the color. Oh, we also put recessed lighting here. There was actually a fan before, which made no sense for the kitchen. Yeah, so I got some recessed lights. We moved the fridge. So the fridge was where the dishwasher is. We ended up moving it over here because it just made more sense. We didn't want to put it next to the stove because having the fridge next to a stove that's kind of strange. There's enough room to maneuver it. So yeah, we opted to put it here, and we were able to add some extra storage on top of the fridge. Yeah. I definitely like the countertops and the backsplash that we chose for the kitchen. You'll see like everything in the bathrooms to kind of match up. This is the dining room area, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty good size. Took the fan down from here as well. Put some new blinds in, fresh coat of paint. There's like an old security system there. I didn't do a great job patching the wall up, but time is of the essence, so have to get it rented soon. Replaced all of these switches and outlets. So yeah, this is much cleaner, much newer. Also all of the door handles. Yeah, this is the garage. Standard garage. Still cleaning up a little bit, but yeah. Cool, all right, so let's go to the rooms. Yeah, put some new hallway light in here. Cool, updated the smoke alarms, all that good stuff. Floors, this closet door. Put new shelves in. It's kind of old and dirty, I guess. You can see the before photo of the state of that stuff. So this is the, I guess this is the second bathroom. Completely different from the previous state of this bathroom. Kind of went with brushed nickel finishes for the shower, fresh coat of paint. We actually ended up, you can look at the before video again, but this top here was enclosed, so we ended up taking that out and bringing the tile all the way up to the roof. And we ended up putting knockdown on the roof. So we removed the popcorn texture throughout the house. Forgot to mention that. And this is all knockdown texture. So I think that contributed to the smell, the smoke smell in the house. Now it doesn't really have much of any smoke smell. Yeah, new vanity here, mirror, switches, but Yeah, completely different bathroom. New tub. Yeah, so still got a little bit of cleaning to do, but nowhere near as much as it was before. Yeah. Yeah, cool. New toilets. All right, so this is the second bedroom. It was actually one of my favorite rooms because it's so bright. Yeah, put new fans in, knock down texture again off for the ceilings, new coat of paint, new baseboards throughout the house, new flooring. Ended up painting these closet doors. I just had to save some money somewhere, so we're like, oh, we could buy doors or we could paint these. Just ended up painting them. All the doors have been painted. They were originally brown. So, yeah. Cool, yeah. Not much else going on in this room, but such a big change from what it was before. Cool. This is the main living room area. Yeah, new coat of paint, baseboards, new fan, just nicer, cleaner. Okay, so second bedroom here. Yeah, just more of the same. Didn't get too crazy with the colors. You know, as I walk through the house here, I'm like, yeah, we don't have a lot of colors involved, but I think that's okay. It'll make the house a little bit, I don't know, whoever comes in here can add the colors as they see fit. But this is a nice room, a good sized room. We did end up updating the master closet, so we ended up putting in some new shelves, so it's a lot more functional. Yeah, just way more functional. And it's a good size too. All right, cool. So now this is the master bathroom. Decided to do a walk-in shower here, which it was before, but just kind of updated everything. So that I cleaned the windows there for the exterior. But yeah, we went with this pattern here that kind of matched the kitchen. I thought it came out pretty well. We chose stainless steel for the finishes. The same vanity and mirrors in this bathroom as the other bathroom. Yeah, nothing too crazy, pretty standard. But I do really like how it came out. Everything just kind of looks nicely put together. Yeah. Cool. All right, so I guess we can take a look in the patio area. So this is another big transformation, I think. All right, cool. All right, so this is the patio. We ended up removing everything. There was a ton of junk. Put new screens in. Yeah, ended up rescreening this. We put a new screen door in. New coat of paint. We removed the popcorn texture, so now it's all knocked down as well. I thought this came out really well. Yeah, a new little light there. Another pretty big transformation is the backyard. Yeah, so all of the plants and tree, shrubs, I don't know, all that stuff is gone. So now it's nice and open. The grass is still struggling to grow. We kept this chair here. Maybe we'll clean it up and paint it. I don't know. But yeah, we removed ton of plants from here. So now it's nice and open and clear. A little bit of work left to do, but nothing to stop us from renting it out. Also, the side here had a ton of cactuses, so got rid of all the cactuses. Pretty nice little spot, nicely shaded. There's a park back there. There's tennis courts over there. Oh, sorry, tennis courts over there. Basketball courts over there. Cool, yeah, that's pretty much it. On to the next process, finding a renter.